Hey guys, it's Deidre here. I wanted to show you my finalized tree. I finally finished this fun little project and it sure beats spending over $100 on one. I found this huge branch outside and I ordered the picks, the Ficus picks, the Faux picks from Hobby Lobby. They were 99 cents per branch and I just glued them on in different little places where I thought they would look natural. I used a hot glue gun. And I'm sure the second time I do this, it will look even better because I do plan on doing another tree. And then I painted this old pot to hold it in, and I used pool noodles for the base because the base was kind of crooked. It's a crooked branch, but I thought it came out really pretty. And these are the Ficus picks that I used. They were originally $2.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I got them for 99 cents online, and I think they still have them. So those worked really well. But I'm looking forward to doing the next one, and I'm sure I'll take you along with me on that project.